Hello, today I want to share with you another ClickUp time saver, the multitask toolbar. This allows you to make changes in bulk. My favorite way to use this is to clean up my backlog at the end of the day or week. It allows me to select all the tasks I know have been completed to update the status. To access the toolbar, you can either find it in your main list view or within a task itself. From the main list view, select the subtask that you want updated, and you'll see this toolbar pop up at the top. From there, you can set the assignee, you can set tags, the due date, priority, mark them as a milestone, or even set dependencies. To access it from a task itself, select the task that you want to update. From there, you can either select all the subtasks, or you can select just a few of them. You'll see that same toolbar pop up at the top, and you can set assignees, tags. You can even move the subtasks if you want them under a different task. I find that being able to edit in bulk allows me to keep things better updated, and it saves me a lot of time.